All right, jurors in the Aldrich Scott murder trial see photos of Carrie Allen's body buried in a shallow grave in Kansas.
Scott is accused of stalking and murdering Allen in November 2022 before fleeing the country to Belize.
Yeah, this is the third day of the trial. Kansas law enforcement took the stand. KATV News Watch 7 Sarah Feely is just back from court, walks us through the testimony. Sarah.
Rob, Quinicia, on Wednesday, jurors were introduced to OnStar data from Aldrich Scott's car, plotting data points and locations of where Scott traveled on the days surrounding Allen's disappearance. Today, prosecutors called Kansas law enforcement up to show evidence of how that location data led them to a rural farmstead and Allen's body. Shawnee County Sheriff's Deputy Tracy Trammell testified to getting a phone call to an area just off Highway 75 near Topeka, a rural area. It's overgrown. There were 2 barns there and an abandoned home. Trammell testifying that he was searching the area after OnStar data led investigators to that land. He told jurors how his partner noticed a tire with recently moved dirt and an axe lying nearby. After moving it further, he says he discovered black trash bags with what appeared to be a pair of jeans inside, eventually uncovering Carrie Allen's body. Another deputy testified to the condition of Allen's body, jurors seeing photos of her body laying on her right side, wrapped in trash bags, legs curled with her arms around her head. Now, that burial site only about a foot deep. A third deputy testifying Allen had an apparent wound to her back that was bandaged and a cut on her pinky. That deputy attended the autopsy, telling jurors the doctor there ruled Allen's cause of death a gunshot wound. Allen's family left the courtroom just before those photos were shown, the defense asking deputies if they thought maybe that axe was left in haste, maybe it was forgotten, also noting that land is right off an exit on Highway 75. Now remember, their defense remains that Allen's death was a split-second decision and Scott's actions after were fight or flight. The trial continues tomorrow with Scott expected to take the stand. Back to you.
All right, Sarah, thank you.